Alright guys, before this trip to Thrift starts, just follow me on IG, just so you can see all the fire that I pick up live. My profile popping, y'all need to peep my page. And my story's lit, so go follow me right there. Aye the Barber. It's cool. What's good guys? This is trip to Thrift number 72. Ooh. I got this NCAA women's starter jacket. See right there, 1999 women's Final Four. Side. Ferrari turtleneck in that super bright yellow. Just found this 2001 Mary J. Blige. No more dramaturgy. For sure gonna scoop this. Just checked eBay and it goes for like, sorry, one sold for $89. So for sure picking up size XL. CCM Los Angeles Kings hockey crew neck. They got this Rodeo Drive Beverly Hills tee. It's on AAA. Probably still gonna pick this up though. Look at all these little kid J's. 5s, 12s, 11s. They're all super beat. Yo, right here, another pair. Yo, look at those. These are bootleg. They're fake. But they're baby Gucci aces. 3 to 6 months. For sure copping. He even has some Louis Vuitton kicks in here. But that's mainly the one that I want. So fire. Just found this vintage Reebok. Just needs a wash to get those stains out right there. Look at the back. Beverly Hills International. Vintage Lakers starter. This one right here, Chosen Few, 92, Washington DC, Sal's Reunion. I don't know if I'm gonna pick that one up. And then this Champion Reverse Weave, UCLA. Honestly, probably just gonna scoop this one, the Laker tee. This Reebok one is tight, but they're asking for 14. Got this vintage Midsummer Night's Magic tee, and this vintage U-Man International. Probably gonna pass on both. Pretty cool though. You got this Johnny Bravo tee. $8. I might have to scoop it. It's pretty cool. Also found this vintage Nike tee. Very simple, just that, but it is a great tag. They're asking for 10, man. I don't know if I'm gonna pick this up. We'll see. Dang, look at this fire knitted sweater. Halo. Yo, look at this Kuji. Look at that price. Kuji vest. Crazy, man. Charging 50. No way, man. And then I found this golf tee right here, embroidered golf. Nothing in the back. This looks like a size small. Yeah, size small. Yo. I just found this bootleg Chanel bomber. First time finding one of these. Oh my god. This low-key might fit me too. Found this Tommy Hilfiger fleece. With some khaki pockets. Nothing too crazy, but they're only asking for 8. So maybe. They got more Kuji lookalikes. Taxing. Asking for 40. About to ship off the Mary J. Blige. Size XL. Sold instantly. I got the Jordan 12's right here. Size 12. 2011s. The bottoms are kind of bad though. They're asking for 35. Just found these Air Force Ones, size 11. Probably gonna cop because they are my size. Just needs a little cleanup. But these are the Air Force One campaign. This is the 6 players that were signed to Air Force One to wear it on the court. All the players right there: Cooper, Malone, Nat, and then right here, Thompson, Jones, Wilkes. These are hard. For sure, scooping. You got this satin jacket right here. Nothing crazy, but the colorway is fire. I don't think I'm gonna end up picking this one up. I picked this one up too, this Beverly Hills. Don't mind the music. My dad's listening to something crazy. But yeah, I picked this Beverly Hills all embroidered tee. But the homie Graham already picked this up, so for sure gonna ship this to him today. Just wanna let y'all know we got something popping. Good morning, guys. I need to fix my hair a little bit, but just got to the gym with the boo-boo. We're gonna hit some weights before we hit a couple, or maybe one Goodwill. Oh, my camera's way off. But yeah, got the shorts on, slides, brought the hooping shoes just in case I get some shots up today with the headphones in. Stress reliever, the #1 stress reliever for me personally. But yeah, let's get in the gym, huh? Dude, look at our bags. Mine's obviously a little faded, but or it's got like a red like dye to it, but dude, matching bags? I do not want to be that couple. Oh well. Workout done. Now we clocking in at the thrift. Time to find some summer pieces. We got this black and yellow polo sport. It's got on the arm too. We got this basic DKNY hoodie, zip up. And this one right here, a little Christmas Taz vintage crew neck. More fake Yeezys. Huge baby blue Nautica puffer with the logo right there in the back. Polo jeans hoodie. Nice. Nautica. Look at that Tommy Hilfiger logo. Got these Tommy Hilfiger shorts right here for women. Got the huge patch on the back.
Okay, so found these vintage Nike challenge courts. Still pretty new, sole's nice. Let's go.
Found this vintage Disneyland passport holder tee, 1995, and then this Joy Rich tee right here. Just gotta see if this one's legit. It says right there, Rich Swag? Yeah, swag. What the? Oh, it's got a backpack.
How do you know if it's mine?
Let me check. Vintage Fila patch, Fila tee, made in USA. I'll see if I pick this one up. Dang, this vintage head windbreaker is clean. It's women's though. It's got like the little scrunchy waist right there. DKNY crew neck. It's a little stretched out though. And the neck is way too yellow. Vintage kids Dallas Cowboys crew neck. And a vintage champion. Size 6 to 8. This is also kids. And it's the wide shoulder V-neck one. Got some bootleg sweat shorts. With the hoe, I got this new age little girl Hilfiger jacket. Reversible Tommy Hilfiger shorts, blue and gold. And then this vintage DKNY Rough Justice. Probably gonna pick this one up. Also found this Screen Stars Mom Can Do tee. Single stitch. Probably gonna pick this one up. And then I found 2 pairs of pants right here. This one's kind of crazy. This one's a little big. It's like a size XL, but it's like a Raiders jersey, like track pants. No zippers at the bottom, but they are tapered. These are pretty wild. They're bootleg, but I might have to scoop these. And then this one right here. Always good to find basic gray tag Nike track pants. See right there, Nike, and then the logo's right there. Just a monotone piece, black on black. Yo, I just realized that these are actually detachable. It's got the zippers. Yo, these are crazy. Me and the boo-boo about to go in. Vlog, guys. With fries. Yeah.
It's $2, so let's get the...
I never come here, guys. The boo-boo was like craving something cold. Like I want like a smoothie. She was like, let's try the McDonald's one. They do have a strawberry banana smoothie, which is one of my favorites.
Eager to leave, but you're gonna drink one.
Oh, there's only one. The strawberry.
No, there's a mango one.
Oh, mango pineapples.
Ooh, I want that one. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get one mango pineapple?
What size? Not large.
Huh?
A large and sure. What size?
Large.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, come out to 437. Thank you.
Thank you. Told you, bro. We should just went to a regular smoothie place. This better be fire, man. I'm gonna be sad. Yo, that's a large? What kind of smoothie is that? Should've just went to Jamba Juice. Ah! Alright, y'all. So this is what I picked up in this trip to the thrift. See right here, the bootleg Gucci Aces. Came with some other sneakers. Like these are just some plain black. And then the other ones are like bootleg Louis Vuitton ones. See the LV right there. But yeah, this is pretty cool for the little baby. Vintage starter, Lakers tee. See the starter logo right there on the arm. Vintage Johnny Bravo. This one's pretty clean. And then the back it says Johnny Bravo. And then vintage Nike tee. It is a gray tag. And then lastly, obviously this is the GRAIL of this trip to the thrift. Crazy. The bootleg Chanel. Chains, satin jacket, crazy for $8. Skull boy. Yo, what's good, guys? So your boy just got home. Me and Boo Boo just got home. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. This was trip to the thrift number 72. Tried to implement some other aspects of my life, like hooping, because it's something I really love, but priorities have taken me away from hooping for now. But I will bounce back. But yeah, just to let you guys know, I used to hoop a lot. Like that was my first love. Sorry, Boo Boo. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trip to the thrift number 72. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up. Amen to the coziest in the game. What is